You gotta get into the groove.
Hey guys, tonight's the night. We're doing some small bore life activities on the Honda Monkey. This thing is super quiet out of the box. If you're looking to sneak around national parks, this is probably the machine you should probably be on. Or an electric bike if you don't want to do a combustion motor. But if you want a little bit of sound out of your machine, today we're showing you the installation of the Yoshimura full system. Now this is a race-only system. Yoshimura does have California street legal systems available, but this bike we're going to be using on closed course situations, so we're going to put the full Monty on. We've got a head pipe that is super lightweight. I'm curious to see what this weighs as compared to the stock system when we get it off. It should be a significant decrease in weight. Check out this super sexy can. This is going to be fun. Now when I was taking a look at the offerings, I noticed that they had a spark arrestor, and I ride this thing up in the mountains, so spark arrestor is a must. Now Yoshimura says that in addition to reducing spark and not allowing sparks to fly into the forest, it's also going to give me an additional 5 miles per hour on the top end. Just a little bit of back pressure that this provides allows this system to function at its best. Now while going through the catalog and looking at everything else, I mean this can has a really beautiful end cap on it, but the fact that I have the red Honda Monkey, I had to get the little small bore life red end cap. Just a little nice piece to touch things off. So without further ado, let's go ahead and fire this thing up so you can hear what it sounds like stock. I'll be surprised if you can hear it at all. That's how quiet it is. And then after we get this full Monty installed, we'll fire it up again so you can hear the Yoshimura rumble. All right, let's get busy. I always forget. Oh, look at that. That was easy. I'll stop that camera. Sweet. Check this out, guys. Look at the monkey. Look at the monkey. It's always important to wipe down a new exhaust before you fire it up. That way you get all of the fingerprints off. If you leave a big grumpy fingerprint, fire it up, it's actually going to burn onto the finish and be a bear to remove. There you have it, guys. The installation of the Yoshimura full system exhaust pipe. Let's hear what it sounds like. Still pretty quiet, extremely mellow as far as the sound goes. Now let's hear what it sounds like when we crack the throttle. Way to roll. Thanks for joining us on this Yoshimura full system exhaust installation on the Honda Monkey. Yoshimura has done a phenomenal job with this exhaust pipe, giving it superior details, superior quality, and a great sound. I can't wait to get this thing out on the road to give it a test run to find out what that top speed is going to be. Now join us in a couple days. We're going to be swapping out that screen type spark arrestor for an open exhaust to see just what happens to the miles per hour. Stay tuned for that. Until next time, take care and ride safe.